countertops, islands, you name it. It's beautiful. Red oak is more porous and it will accept stain a little bit more. This is the same thing here, except this one is mineral oil finished. And then we're going to make it look like this. This is dark American walnut. Same deal, made in America, full-length strips, food-safe glue, perfectly flat, perfectly square. Yeah, really, really nice. Okay, so my goal is to get this look and this effect of American dark walnut. It's very expensive. I'm going to use a less expensive Appalachian red oak, which you can score right there. I'm going to be finishing it with this non-toxic, food-safe polyurethane gel, which is actually safe for food contact. Show that again right there. Safe for food contact, okay? This is an American-made product. This is super high quality. It's safe. I highly recommend it. You can get it right there. So the first step, obviously, is to prepare your area and get yourself some cardboard or a good working surface. I've got some sandpaper. This one here is, let me see, maybe 400 grit. I want it to accept the stain. Now, before you can stain, obviously, you got a whole bunch of wood particles there. That's what the red oak looks like, just like before. And this is with the stain. It's looking pretty good. And here is the solid American walnut next to it. Okay? But I've got one more step. So, first of all, 3 words of wisdom here for you. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Thank you for those words. Okay, so this is a recycled yogurt container. Got a little bit of our proprietary food-safe varnish here on this brush. Now, it doesn't take much. I'm just going to go back and forth like this with a nice even motion, and this will dry overnight. It's non-toxic, it's food safe. What a great product. Yeah. Okay, and when I'm done, I prefer to use a towel and wipe the sides very carefully, just so there's no extra material running down it there. So very carefully, once again, I'm going to go right with the grain and just put it like this. Yeah, how do you like this brush? This thing's been through hell and back. It's still working though. Super hot water, a little soap, cleans it up, good to go. With our custom walnut stain, and that is the walnut with the food safe finish right next to it there. So you can compare the two of those. If you're interested in either one of these American made products, super high quality, right there, visit the sponsor. Tell them you want the designer discount. And this is the next day. This is the red oak that's got the walnut house stain and then a clear coat of food safe varnish. I like it, it looks good. This is the American black walnut with the food safe varnish. They're kind of similar. This one has a little bit more of a grain to it. This might work for you, I'm not sure, either one. Once again, this right here is red oak with the varnish. End grain maple butcher block. Wonderful surface for cutting, chopping, and cooking on.